Hey, friend, you've seen the results throughout the series, but a screenshot doesn't tell you what happened before that result. It doesn't show you the moment that somebody finally said something has to change. So, I'm not going to teach you anything else today. I want you to hear two stories, mine and Logan's. We started in very different places, but both of us were looking for another way to bring in an income into our homes. And while you're listening, I want you to pay attention to something. Listen to where we started. Listen to what made us finally say something has to change, and listen to what happened after we made the decision to start. Here's my story. So much for inviting me to share my story. I'm like, I was nervous. Anyway, I'm honored to be here. I promised myself I wouldn't cry, so my nerves are just give me a second. I was the door dasher. I was the door dashing single mom, and I was struggling and I was stressed out to the max. We were hustling. I was aiming for $1,800 a month, bringing my kids with me because I was a homeschooling mom. And I was like, just doing the hustle. If you know what the hustle, 40 plus hours, not making ends meet, aiming for 18. And I was like at the limit. I couldn't go any higher. I couldn't make any more. And I was like, man. And then I shared this the other day in our community because it was the hardest thing to share. But it just, the relief that you get from knowing you don't have to check the bank every 2 seconds. I remember one day we either were coming in or we were leaving to go door dashing. And I sat down and I looked over at my son, and my son had duct taped the end of his shoe. All you moms, dads, you know that feeling where you're like, man, this is stupid. I can't even afford a pair of shoes. That was the moment I was like, this is dumb. I have to do something, but I didn't know what. So I started praying. I started searching, and I was like, how the heck do you make money online? I'm looking for jobs. I'm looking for something that I can do. I don't have a degree. I don't have any fancy skills on paper. And I was like, man, I just kept doing what I could do. I just kept door dashing, kept praying, kept waiting. And then the worst thing that can happen to a door dasher, the absolute worst, I lost my transmission on my beloved black Suburban, my favorite vehicle. But anyways, I lost the transmission. And if you've ever lost a job, you know what that's like. Lost my job, lost my truck. And I was done. I was like, this is it. I'm done. Like, I can't figure this out. Don't know what to do. And the good thing is 2 days before I lost the truck and the job, I'm scrolling on TikTok looking for a laugh because that's all I ever did. I was like, I'm going to look for a laugh. And this girl pops up. She's talking about God. She's talking about homeschooling. And she was talking about boatloads. Well, man, I'm the skeptic. And I was like, oh, nope. I passed by the very thing that has been providing for me and my kids for 21 months. 21 months. And I scrolled past it. Man, don't do what I did. So 2 days later, I lost the truck. I lost the job. Guess who pops back up on my TikTok? And I'm like, this time I stopped. This time I was like, I'm just going to, it's funny how your perception or your viewpoint can change like this. That girl popped up and I was like, I'm just going to ask 3 questions. I'm just going to ask. I said, do I need a degree? She was like, no. I go, can I work from home? Like, I didn't know if it was a job. I didn't know what it was. She was like, yeah, you can work at home. I said, okay. Number 3, do I have to pick up a phone? Because like I'm anti-phone. I got kids, they're loud. I'm gonna get fired. I can't do the phone. So she was like, no. I was like, what is this? Long story short, I didn't have to go looking for making money online because this was it. Like I didn't need 500 different ways to make money. I needed one. I needed one path, one way that works. I didn't have time. Listen, you got to know where I was. I had 4 kids in the house. I'm a mom of 5, 3 homeschoolers, 2 adults. But at the time I had 4 in the house and I just needed something real, legit that works. And I didn't have time to go figure it out. So this was that. I followed it. I started it. I literally have made thousands a month since 2024. And I'm right where I want to be, in my happy place. So I love this. I am forever, forever grateful. Because honestly, where would I be? Where would I be? So I'm sorry for crying. I'm so grateful and nervous. Thank you, Michelle.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, so that is Michelle. Now I am going to let me get me back for a minute. Okay, so that was my story. Now I want you to meet Logan. So Logan has a full-time job, a wife, kids, 4 kids, and he was cutting lawns on the weekends, trying to bring in more money. He wasn't looking for more work. He was already working. He was looking for another way. And rather than me tell you what happened, I want you to hear it from him. So let's get going with Logan. I will share Logan right now. If I can get him back up in here. There.
Never thought I would be here, a year and a half ago in August of 24. But for those of y'all that don't know me, my name's Logan Bidwell, a blue-collar husband, dad of 4 kids that keep us super busy. And all I ever knew before was just work the overtime. Then I tried some MLM things, but I failed because I didn't like bugging my friends and family. I didn't like sliding in the DMs. But I always had a dream of something to be able to do to build freedom without giving up my paycheck. And I kind of got away from it, started mowing yards evenings and weekends. It took a lot more time away from my family, and my family was burnt out. I was burnt out. And so I started looking for a way to create income from my phone because it's a digital world we live in. So why not? But I didn't even know how to shoot a video on TikTok. I wasn't a content creator. I didn't have a following. I just had a strong desire to make a change for my family. And when I ran across Legacy Builder, got in somebody's email system, started getting those automated emails, and, didn't have any belief in myself, but I ran across the link for one of these webinars, and I got on and I saw just everyday people, moms, dads, grandparents, just people being able to fit it in their busy schedule. Because when I saw 2 hours a day, I thought, man, between working a full-time job, trying to make it to my kids' ball games, mowing yards, I don't have 2 hours. I'm up at 4 a.m. and I go to bed at 11 and I'm busy all day. But what I really realized, it was a Sunday because my iPhone gave me an alert on how much screen time I was spending and, showed me how much time I was wasting on my phone. And I thought, why don't I just trade that time? I mean, I can carve out 2 hours a day and 10, 20-minute segments of my day on my lunch break, before work, after work, in the evenings. When my kids are in bed at halftime at a ball game, I can make a 7-second video with words on a screen. And it gave me the belief that I could do something online. But like I said, I didn't want to bug friends and family. I didn't want to slide in the DMs. And I needed the step-by-step training. I mean, taking all the guesswork out of it took a lot of pressure off of me. And creating content was scary, but so was being $30,000 in credit card debt. So was not being ready for college. So was knowing that the last 20 years had gotten us right where we were at. And if I didn't do anything different, those 3% pay raises, they weren't going to get it done. And so I chose my heart. And it got easier every single time. Every single time. But since then, we have paid off $30,000 in credit card debt because of what I've learned here. I've got multiple streams of income. We paid cash for college. We've been able to put extra car payments on my truck, my son's car that we bought him when he graduated last May. But we've been able to live life along the way with more peace. Knowing that when we look at our bank, we don't have to check the bank account when we go get fuel or when we go to the grocery store anymore. And that's not me bragging, guys. That is, I hope that you see if I can do it, you can do it too. And just being able to live life with more peace. But, you know, I said I got started looking for $900 a month. And that was all the belief I had in myself, not the program. I saw it working for people. And I did. I made $900 my first month, but it's continued to grow. And that's the first week of March, being able to make $3,000 around our busy life schedule, coaching my kids in basketball, going to my oldest daughter's softball games and volleyball tournaments, still getting to spend time with my family, something that didn't take more time away from my family, but it really gave me more time back because when I got out of mowing yards, that gave me 40 to 60 hours a month back with my wife and 4 kids. But yeah, I hope that you see that you can do it too. Do it scared. So do it for your family. Do it for your future. Thank you, Michelle. I really appreciate the opportunity to get to share. Appreciate your program, your mentorship, your training. It has been a life changer.
2 completely different stories. And now there's yours. I don't know what your result will be, but I do know this. Waiting doesn't create another stream of income, another way to bring in an income. And that's the decision I want to leave you with. 90 days from today, will you still be looking for another way to make money? Or will you be able to say, 90 days ago, I finally did something about it? Because those 90 days are coming either way. And imagine the difference between spending those 90 days searching for an answer and spending those 90 days building one. You've watched all 6 videos. You understand what this is, and you know what the work looks like. You don't need another video. You just need to decide whether you want to take the next step. If you do, the free blueprint is right below this video. Take a look. Your next 90 days start either way. Here's to more choices, more yeses, and less stress. And of course, I have to say it, yeehaw!